And
Okay, Senator, you mentioned the names Kiko Pangilinan and Bam Aquino. So, what is the likelihood of these two finding themselves in the administration ticket?
It
How?
depends
Yeah.
kung paano gugulong yung mga sumusunod na pag-uusap, no? Kasi kung i-reject yan ng mga prospective candidates, saka o kung i-reject din nung Marcos administration, edi wala akong mangyari. Kailangan meron pong consensus. Pero nandito pa lang naman tayo sa panawagan, sa exploratory talks para kumaga trial balloon na rin ito dun sa respective political bases kung acceptable yon. Kasi pag nakita ng mga ang reaction ng mga pink forces, pwede naman gawin for the larger cause, no? Pagka nakita naman yung mga Marcos political base, okay din naman, hindi mas mapapadali dun sa mga decision makers na magsanib pwersa for the larger cause of obliterating finally itong Duterte forces.
Okay.
Senator, would you have any inkling, any sense kung open yung Marcos administration dito sa initiative ninyo? The President himself, I understand na magkaibigan naman kayo. Would you have any sense kung open siya sa ganitong klase?
Malalaman po natin in a few days, pero naparating na po natin yung mensahe. So titingnan po natin how they would assess it, no?
Okay.
So in the works pa ho yan. Premature pa ho lahat ng but at this point in time, that is a proposition worth looking into and worth considering given the new development.